Hello again, everyone, and welcome to our special New Year's Eve edition of Deep Dive. Now, last week, we showed you the very best of Deep Dive. Today, we have something else in mind. We're going to take a look at what goes on when things don't go according to plans. So let's talk a little bit about routers. Now, So I'm going to align the laser and drive. So I'm going to align the laser and drive. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscription bell. So now we're back in more familiar surroundings. Familiar surroundings. Now the third one of our squaring tools is Woodpeckers steel. But if you're going to do very much of this, the replaceable insert so we can have up to a half. I looked it up. I said it wrong. Squaring devices, clamping square systems. All right. Exactly 11 and a half. Shelf pin and drawer saw. Why can't I say drawer slide? Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of what? First day with the new mouth. I would not be without a couple of sets. But if you're going to be doing very much of this at all, the replaceable insert card. Why can't I say replaceable insert cutter? So let's talk a little bit about radar. I cannot believe I can't do this. Now, I've been woodworking for 40-ish or more years. That's actually not true. Let's think about that a second. Don't start with me, John. Hello again, everyone, and if I could talk, we'd be all set. Before we get started, though, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know. Was that timing or what? Perfect timing. So we'll slip that on. Go back to our spot.
I was trying to follow you.
Yeah, right. Ready? Oh. Ooh. John. I didn't know you were shooting. Oh, that is so far off. We'll see you next time on Deep Dive. What did I leave out, John? And when I say an insider tip, I mean it's inside our catalog. Today, we are going to take a closer look at Woodpecker's current one-time tool offer, the MT center gauge, and that. All right, guys. Let's figure out how to wrap this thing. Wasn't that fun? Hey, folks, I have to tell you, we really enjoy putting Deep Dive together for you every week. And be sure and let us know what you think about it. Fill out the comment section below. Let us know if you like our show. And we hope that everything works out for you next year. And we'll be ready next week with a real Deep Dive. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week on Deep Dive.